The Loft ceiling fan from Emerson is a simple design meant to capture both a contemporary and industrial look. This fan utilizes unique airfoil blades that are engineered to move air efficiently. At 60 inches in diameter, this fan can produce air movement at 7,579 cubic feet per minute, giving the Loft an Energy Star rating that is 50% higher than a traditional 52-inch fan that produces 5,000 cubic feet per minute. This fan also offers models that are damp location approved and are suitable for covered patios and porches due to its weather-resistant resin blades with protective UV coating. The Loft includes a 6-inch downrod and a 4-speed wall mount slide control. It also houses a 188 15mm motor. However, it is not light fixture adaptable. In winter mode, the Emerson Loft runs in reverse to evenly distribute heat near the ceiling and reduce strain on your HVAC system. The Loft fan looks great, and with the Emerson name, you know it's built to last.